We got a call from management. They said that y'all's card declined earlier, and that checkout time was at 11.
So they want you out. Do you have a vehicle or anything?
No, sir.
Okay.
We've got no place to go.
I understand that, but you can't stay here.
Police have been dispatched to a motel in Cobb County, Georgia, in reference to an elderly couple's credit card being declined for their room. The hotel management have requested that police remove the couple from the motel room and trespass them from the property.
For 401, copy 41. 4900 Ivy Road at the Ackworth Eye Care with a white Suburban and a Sprinter van.
Where that truck is.
Right there.
Somebody standing right in the
I
parking
think it's the same chick that me and Chuck dealt with a couple of months ago at hometown. She didn't want to come to the door, didn't want to leave.
Well, they said that the mail had walked to McDonald's.
Oh, like he might have done there.
Police department.
Yeah, somebody's in there. Yeah.
Hello. Hi. So we got a call from management.
404 unit, so for.
We got a call from management. They said that y'all's card declined earlier, and that checkout time was at 11.
So they want you out. Alright, so go ahead and start getting your stuff, and so we can't leave until you done got all your stuff out.
Okay.
It's the same one.
Nothing up.
Same woman. I don't know about the guy. I never met the guy.
You in this room over here, sir? Yes. Okay. All right, management called earlier. They said your card declined again. They said they want you guys out, all right?
Yeah, so they want you out.
Leaving now.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
All right, we gotta stay here until you get everything out, all right?
All right.
All right, let's go ahead and work with that, all right?
These people.
Well, y'all already had everything packed up. Y'all already had everything ready to go, huh?
Yes, sir.
All right. You can go ahead. Go ahead and keep going. What time you leaving today?
2.
2. Sarge was saying something about us coming in late or something?
Yeah, she'd rather us come in late, but
So we've got no place to go.
I understand that, but you can't stay here.
Yes, sir.
So you're gonna have to figure something else out. Do you have a vehicle or anything?
No, sir.
Okay.
That's right here. They tried Deerfield?
You got Deerfield on the other side over here,
Yeah.
or you got other hotels on the other side of the interstate over here. So
All right.
yeah. So
I'm a little shaky right now.
okay, that's fine. Like I said, we just can't leave until y'all get everything out. Did they want them CT'd? Did they want them CT'd?
I
Okay.
didn't say.
Okay.
No, they don't have a card.
So, I mean, you put all your stuff in bags, maybe.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Somebody in here? Where's in there? Close that door.
I believe that's it. I believe that's it.
Yeah, that's it.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you got a couple of other ones over here. I know that the one behind us is decently priced, I believe, and then you got some across the way over there.
We are completely broke.
I understand. I'm sorry to hear that.
We are completely broke.
404 units.
Do y'all have a cell phone?
No more. No more.
So we were looking for my cell phone earlier.
Okay. Do you know where your cell phone might be?
10-4.
What am I trying to do to her car this time?
There ain't no telling. The lady at the front desk said she wouldn't hear yesterday. Apparently their car declined last night too. They came up with some kind of money, I guess.
Do y'all work anywhere?
I'm out of.
You're out of work?
Yes, sir.
I gotcha.
Did you find your phone?
No, sir. Can you give me just a few more minutes, please?
Look for your phone?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, we're going to be here until y'all get everything out anyway, so.
Yeah. Hey, go in there and see if you can find it real quick.
Yes.
Where's the room key at? For the room?
Is that them on the dresser there?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Alright. I've never seen in the Best Western rooms. Would you say it's nicer?
I suppose that we'll get with housekeeping and they'll find it.
Yeah. You can check back, in a couple hours. Check with the front desk.
Yes, sir.
See if they've found your phone or something like that, and go from there.
So we no place to go.
Yeah, buddy. I understand.
All right,
It's like my hands are tied.
Please,
So
I'm not asking you for any.
yeah.
I'm not asking you for any favors.
Yeah.
We've got no.
I'm just saying, like, maybe. What time is it? Lunchtime?
Yeah.
If you can get a ride to Cartersville, there's a homeless shelter in Cartersville, and then there's a homeless shelter down in Marietta.
404 unit.
So how would we get there?
10-4.
Would they take both of us?
I believe Cartersville will. I think they take male and female. Marietta, I'm not 100% sure.
I don't know about Marietta. Cartersville, probably.
I'm scared right now.
Yeah.
I mean, I want to protect her.
Yeah.
I am.
Yeah. Best thing I can tell you to do is just to, try to get a ride. When you get up there, tell them your story. If they won't take both of you, then they'll have resources available for both of you. Like, they can get you somewhere. Or you can get a phone, call 411 United Way, and tell them your story. United Way can hopefully get you some resources there too. Okay. The one in Cartersville is called Good Neighbor, and the one in Marietta is called. Let me find it. Must Ministries.
Oh, okay, we've heard of
Must Ministries in Marietta. Write the number down. 770. Must.
We don't have a phone.
Well, I'm sure somebody around here will probably let you use a phone. 770-426-7667. And then Good Neighbor Shelter, Cartersville. Yeah, Good Neighbor is 770-607-0610.
Thank you, guys.
Yeah. And then put United Way. I think United Way is still 411.
Yes, I'm gonna
2-1.
I'm gonna get her a tissue. Right?
That's fine. Okay. That's fine. There you go. 404 is United Way.
404.
527-7200. And it's 211, not 411. 211. All right.
So you got Good Neighbor, that's in Cartersville, their number is up top. Must Ministries, that's their number. And then United Way, that's their number.
Thank you.
Okay? All right. Now, I suggest trying to move your stuff off the property.
Yes, sir.
That way they don't get too angry for y'all still being on the property.
Yes, sir.
So just start making your way towards the sidewalk or something like
Yes,
that,
sir.
okay? All right, y'all have a good one. Yep.
After 412, copy, signal 54, zone 1. 4684 Old Cowan Road, 4684 Old Cowan
I was
Road.
going to go to the
Negative
front and make a phone call. I was going to ask him.
If they're okay with you making a phone call, that's fine.
Okay. I just don't want.
Yeah, you can follow him up there. That's fine.
Hang out by the front.
Yes, sir.